Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Here you see we have 5 Series BMW 2007, and we try to add a key. And sometime when you add a key, you have to crank the car, and suddenly, while we are cranking the car, the starter fell. So the starter location, if you need to change your car, just to tell you exactly where is it. The intermanifold have to come out. You don't need to take it out completely, but anything on the top there have to come out. You see, and then you have good space here. You need to take the intermanifold and move it a little bit back, that the screw come from behind, and take the starter from there. After you take it, then you have to put it back. I get one from AutoZone. Here's the starter. Raymond, where is the old one? The old one is here. We don't know what happened to it, but it just keep turning fin for free. It's like it's stuck. This is a quick information. You need to have a space one. Okay, from inside, this 525i. I was able to, while I'm doing the programming, using electronic auto hex, it fell starting. It's cranking a lot, and I'm getting interface immobilizer. It looked like the security got locked. So we are trying to put everything together, clear it. Look like the car's module have a problem, but this car, all those cars that have this key slot issue, if you are not able to do it on the bench, be careful when you do it by the OBD2. Any glitch, anything, it will create trouble for you. This is a quick information. And I'm trying to communicate with the AutoHex. It looked like the AutoHex have a problem, not this one. When I tried to communicate with it, it fell. But when I use this tool, the AutoLogic, I was able to communicate. It looked like AutoHex sometimes have problems with the older cars, especially on keys, not like other cars. You see, I'm getting this problem. But if I go back and I start diagnose, accept BMW, if I need to read it, it read it fine. See, I'm good. And then continue. You see, reading data, everything clear. Drive, CAS, full code, no full code. Diagnose request or CAS information. You see everything there. Next, VIN number. Everything is good. Program is 31. So, and Did this one ask me to downgrade the cars? I remember it asked me to downgrade the cars, and I downgrade the cars. Some of them it doesn't require, some of them yes. So back up. In order for you to do any report, cancel, back. Now I'm gonna disconnect this. I'm gonna close this. Like programming. Okay, let me plug it. So let me see if I will be able to read the information. I tried to read it, it fell. Some car, newer cars, it communicate good, some car it doesn't. So let's see what it's gonna say. You cannot get the vehicle order. This is my problem. Let me take this one out. That's no good. We have a problem with this, you see? So now it's communicating, but I have to hold my hand here. If I left it, there is nothing. So it looks like there's a problem here. So that's one of the issues that we have. So please be careful when you work on some cars. I even get another adapter. This adapter, try to get maybe to hold into connector good. See, also fell. Okay, I try to add some connectors here, and let's see what happens now. Let me put the see, I have 12 volts here. Let me see now. See here, I just put that one. Hopefully I will be able to read the vehicle order. It looks like there is a problem with the connector itself. See, I cannot get the vehicle order. He cannot read it. That's weird. Is that because of the OBD2 connector no good? I'm not sure. So I'm gonna leave this one. Just this is what we're getting with AutoHex today in this car. Okay, let me take this one out. I'm gonna try to go charge the battery, clean the terminal. That place, I'm gonna clean it good, and then we see what happens. But put in consideration that all the time you have problems with those cars. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.